Today's recipe is sweet corn, but I'm making it a bit spicy and salty, as you can see, without adding any extra seasoning at the end as you usually do it. So this is how we do. In a bowl, we add clean water, add 2 sweet corns, add a green chili, and add 1.5 teaspoon of salt here. You can add an extra green chili if you want to be more spiciness. So we'll allow this to boil for 10 minutes, and after that you can just remove it and directly have it. So even after that, at the end, you can see that you need not add any seasoning that you usually do. Normally what people do, they just boil the sweet corn and then they add salt and red chili powder at the end. But when you do it like this, there is no necessity for that. So it is really healthy snack and you can have it any time of the day. It is really tasty. You can, when you bite into the sweet corn, you can taste the spiciness of the green chili that is absorbed into it. You will know that the sweet corn is done by pricking it with a fork, and you can see that the fork will go easily inside. This is when you know that it is done. Here we switch off the flame and we enjoy our dish. So if you really enjoyed watching this video, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye guys.